So, we can all agree that electricity is one of the greatest assets we have in the 21st century. From a small light bulb to a huge supercomputer, almost everything in today's world needs electricity to work. So, electricity is a precious resource that must not be wasted. There are various ways of generating electricity. For the majority of electricity production, non-renewable sources like fossil fuels are being used. These fossil fuels, like coal, oil, and natural gas, emit harmful gases which are bad for the environment while getting converted into electricity. Which brings me to the good part. Many companies have realized the harm they were doing to the environment and have started using renewable sources of energy to create electricity. To further elevate the impact of this effort, I have created a device that uses the water in the pipes of our homes to generate electricity. I call it the home water Pelton turbine. Also, this project targets 3 global grand challenges: water, environment, and energy. Let's see how it works. This product is essentially a turbine that sits on the side of a pipe. The turbine spins due to the water flow in the pipes, which also makes the rotor behind the turbine spin. This generates electricity. My product is also designed in such a way that it generates much more electricity with the help of the Pelton turbine's design. In an average house water pipe system, there is 35 to 45 psi. When converted into joules, we get 6,834 joules. This gives us approximately 114 watts of electricity for about 2 hours. This electricity will be stored in your inverter. Products similar to this were released in the market back in 2016, but the product category wasn't successful, so it never reached the public's attention. There are 2 reasons why this product category was not successful. Firstly, the manufacturers of these products did not take into consideration that saving the planet is not a good reason for the average person to buy a product. These products should have been marketed in such a way that when the person sees these products on the shelves, they know exactly what they're paying for and what they're getting back in return. Secondly, nobody was manufacturing these products at the large scale. So even the few people who actually wanted to buy these products didn't have a trusted source to buy them from. And besides, these products were made of cheap materials and they had no thought put into the user experience and durability. These are problems that my product will fix. Firstly, when you see my product in the shelves, you will clearly get an idea of what you're paying for and what you're going to get. In this case, you're getting free electricity. And secondly, I want to partner with companies like MR, Damac, Nakir, etc. to implement my idea into their future buildings. This just makes it more easier for me and the customer. For me, I don't have to worry about my product being a success in the market, and for the customer, it's very easy. You don't even need to worry about buying the product itself. You will just keep getting free electricity. Also, my product will be designed of high-grade materials.